Do you hide your hands when you meet someone? I know, those dark spots that just keep getting worse over time. You've already spent hundreds of dollars on miracle creams, right? Well, I have news that's going to change everything for you today. The solution you're looking for is in a homemade blend of three natural oils that costs less than $15 and can be more effective than any expensive cream. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to make this at home. First, let me explain something important. Those dark spots that appear mainly on your hands, face, shoulders, and arms, they have a name. They're called age spots or liver spots. And you know what's interesting? They don't just appear because time is passing. Actually, they're a sign from your body showing that something needs attention. These spots happen when a substance called lipofuscin accumulates in your skin cells. Think of it as a toxic residue that deposits over the years. And what causes this? Mainly sun exposure without protection, free radicals in the body, lack of important nutrients in your diet, and also daily stress. All of this creates this buildup that eventually appears on the surface of your skin. Now, here comes the good part. There's a natural solution that works directly on this problem. And best of all, you can make it in your own home with simple ingredients. The first star of this recipe is rosehip oil. This oil is extracted from wild rose seeds, and it's a true wonder of nature. It's incredibly rich in natural vitamin A, which stimulates skin cell renewal. Plus, it has essential fatty acids like omega 3 and omega 6, which help regenerate tissues. And there's more. It contains vitamin C and lycopene, which are powerful antioxidants that fight those free radicals I mentioned before. The second ingredient is wild rose oil. This one is the perfect partner for rosehip oil. It's also rich in antioxidants and has properties that help brighten the skin naturally and gently. When you combine these two oils, they work in synergy, enhancing each other's results. And the third component is vitamin E. This vitamin is essential because it protects the skin against future damage while helping repair existing damage. It also keeps skin hydrated and strengthens the natural protective barrier. Now let me give you the complete recipe. It's super simple. You'll need a small glass bottle with a lid. It can be one of those amber glass bottles you find at pharmacies or natural product stores. Add 20 milliliters of wild rose oil. Then add 10 milliliters of rosehip oil. And lastly, drop in 20 drops of vitamin E. Close the bottle well and shake gently to mix everything. Done. You've just created a powerful natural treatment for your spots. How to use it? It's very easy. You're going to apply this mixture directly to the spots 2 to 3 times a day. It can be in the morning, afternoon, and evening. Do this for 30 days straight. After that, it's important to take a 30-day break before starting a new cycle. This break allows the skin to rest and absorb the benefits better in the next cycle. But you know what's going to boost your results even more? Working from the inside, too. Because the truth is that beautiful skin starts from the inside out. A supplement that makes all the difference is grape seed extract. It's packed with antioxidants that help eliminate toxins from the body and repair damage caused by free radicals. There are compounds in it, like tannins and procyanidins, that work from the inside out, perfectly complementing the work of the oils on the skin's surface. They help fade existing spots and also prevent new ones from appearing. Another powerful strategy is intermittent fasting. I know it might sound scary at first, but it's not a big deal. Basically, you create an eating window during the day. For example, you can eat your meals between noon and 8 at night. And during the other hours, you let your digestive system rest. When you give this rest to the digestive system, something incredible happens. Your body can focus energy on other important functions, like eliminating accumulated toxins, repairing damaged cells, and rejuvenating the skin. Personally, I've been practicing intermittent fasting for years, and the results are visible not only on the skin, but in overall health. Now, something very important I need to tell you. This solution works, but it's not instant magic. You need to be consistent. Use the oils every day as I instructed. Take care of your diet, choosing foods rich in antioxidants, like colorful fruits, green vegetables, nuts. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. And always, always use sunscreen, because there's no point in treating the spots if you keep exposing your skin without protection. That's the truth. You don't need to spend thousands of dollars on complicated treatments. You don't need to put products full of chemicals you can't even pronounce on your skin. Nature has already given us everything we need. Sometimes the simplest solution is also the most effective. So if you've made it this far and you're really committed to making this change, I invite you to start today. Write down this recipe, go to a natural product store or compounding pharmacy, buy these 3 ingredients, and make your own blend. You'll be surprised by the results. And if you liked this information, if this made sense to you, leave that like on the video so more people can discover this natural solution. Share it with that friend you know is also looking for something like this. And subscribe to the channel because I'm here to bring more content like this. Natural and practical solutions that really work. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video with more natural health tips. Until then.